Many believe in a grand design guiding our lives, but I challenge this notion. Destiny implies a fixed path, robbing us of the agency and the ability to shape our own future. Instead, I believe fate is fluid, like water. Some believe that their destiny will just happen to them, something great they were put on this planet for, and I do agree with that. I do agree with it to a degree, as your destiny can and it inevitably will fall into your lap. But that's because every day you take a step towards your destiny, consciously or not. Not a predetermined one, but one where the choices you make determine the destination you are heading towards. By acknowledging the power of choice, the power of your choice, you can empower yourself to forge your own path forward. The decision is yours alone, and one that will be made by you, intentionally or not. Like Jean Paul Sartre said, man is condemned to be free, and you have the burden of being free to choose your destiny, whatever it may be. So I advise you to make your choices intentionally. Until next time, like always, make wise choices.